for your face.
Wait, Dad, who is even going?
Me and you. And then tomorrow it's going to be also Jose and Danny.
Who's Jose and Danny?
They're the most epic coos deer hunters you'll ever find on the planet.
For your face. Not right now, but just when you get out there.
Okay.
Stinker.
Tell your mom goodbye.
Bye.
Good luck. I know you're going to do awesome.
We're going to have lots of fun. Okay. Josie, it's go time. Here we go. Youth Hunt 2022. Josie's very first deer tag. What are you taking a picture of? Just a picture? Okay. I think I'm more nervous than Josie is. Josie's calm, cool, and collected, and I'm freaking out.
No, she's nervous too.
Are you nervous? So, tell me what's going through your head.
I'm scared and nervous.
What's happening tomorrow?
I'm gonna try to shoot a deer.
Yeah, do you know what tomorrow is called?
No.
First day of the hunt. It's called opening day. So tomorrow's opening day of your deer hunt. What are we gonna look for? What are we looking for?
Whitetail?
Which kind of whitetail?
Coos deer?
Coos whitetail, that's right. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Good. I can't tell everybody where we're going anyway. So you're a little nervous?
Mm-hmm.
What are you nervous about?
I don't know.
Come on, you gotta have, if you're nervous, there's gotta be a reason. Are you nervous that we're not gonna see any? Are you nervous that you're not gonna be able to, are you nervous you're not gonna be able to hit one?
Yeah.
We're going to a spot where there's deer. We're definitely gonna see deer, 100%. No questions asked. And let's remind the listeners and the viewers how far you can hit something. How far did you shoot the other day?
712 yards?
Yep. One shot, one kill. So, I think that you have every reason to be confident and excited. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I just want you to have fun more than anything else. Okay?
Okay.
This is all about enjoying being away from the world and relaxing and seeing some animals in their environment. That's what it's all about. Okay?
Okay.
I'm a freak, I'm an outcast, I'm a shadow. I stand with the lost souls, looking for a hustle. Got a pulse on the streets, I'm the one you won't look in the eye.
Alright, we just made it to the Airbnb, which is back in an alleyway and is only somewhat sketchy. See how this goes. Oh, we're gonna get shot. You want to show us around?
Uh-huh.
Welcome to the Airbnb.
It's not really that big.
There's not much to show, huh? Nice.
And then the TV.
Very nice.
Where the light ain't allowed to go, when the line gets a little blurry, you're gonna need somebody like me. Through the smoke, through the fog, through the boneyards, when your white knight's in his grave, I'm your last call.
Morning. We're up here on a ridge on a really good glassing point. We started the morning a little bit farther lower, but only saw a couple does. We'll see what we can do here.
And soon it's coming to take everything you know. Yeah. When that monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need somebody like me. When your brother's got blood in the streets, you better call somebody like me. I was made in the
Buck down here. Let's see if we can make it Just when it doesn't start to disappear. So.
When the line gets a little blurry, gonna need somebody like me. When the monster crawls out of the sea, you're gonna need.
That grass is hot. It's tall. What? Look again. Look again. Look again. Just keep an eye on it. You'll see. You'll see his head moving. Probably is all you'll see. Do you see him? Just to like the right of it, or what? It's a doe, I think. Do you see him, Josie? Yeah.
Right above that cactus. Thinks he's good. 290. 293. No. You're gonna shoot him.
Still on him, sweetie? Do you see him? Can you see his shoulder?
Yes.
All right. Squeeze the trigger when you're ready. Got him. Got him. He's going down. He's going down. Sweetie, got him. Okay, hold on. Let's replay it. What just happened?
I shot a buck.
What are you about to do with that tag?
Put it on the deer's head.
Yeah, we'll probably put it in his leg so you don't cover up his entire antler. Oh, are you ready? You excited? All right, now. Josie just put the smack down on a deer. All right. She just made it happen. We're gonna go recover it. Let's go get it. Go for it. Just go right over it. Where's the tripod?
Oh,
Jose's got it? Okay. Josie? What is that, dude? Look, there's the yucca right there. Green bush he was in. Dead deer. You want to get down there to him?
Yeah.
Let's go. He looks very dead. You did it. Okay. I think he's good and dead. I don't see him breathing at all. But usually what I'll do is poke him with the gun. He's dead. He's very dead. You wanna go put your hands on him.
what if he's still fighting?
He's not. Here, you wanna go poke him with the gun?
No, I don't want to.
Here, you hold the camera and I'll poke him. He's very dead. Very dead. You need to go in there, grab him by the antler and pull him out. Pull him out here. Can you do that? I'll help you.
Oh my gosh.
Here, I'll help you.
Oh, I just touched blood on that one.
Oh, did you? So there's a road right down here. Right down the bottom right here. You want a video? Thank you.
It's recording now. Oh yeah. Go help him, Josie.
Josie, you did it, dude. Opening day. Let me see him. Hold him like underneath his chin. We'll put his tongue out his mouth.
For good luck, you slap it like that. There you go. Yes.
Show us how
Do I
it's done.
just touch him?
Yep. Oh, you gotta get one on your left cheek better. Yes! That's it!
You like my makeup?
I love it. Huntress. This is a full service guide service.
The witches. What are we even doing?
We're heading back to the spot, I think, to skin him out. That all transpired pretty quickly. Here's a quick recap. So we got rained off the mountain early this morning. I don't know if I got any footage of that because it was wet and nasty. And so we went back to the house and we dried off, and then we decided to just drive a kind of a road back behind where we were today. And long story short, we stopped literally on the side of the road and we were glassing, and we picked up this buck and another little buck about 300 yards off the road, and Josie made a swift kill shot. One shot, one kill, done. So, could not be more proud of this one woman, this huntress.
When the last light fades and all is done, honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one. Honey, I need you, you're the only one. I need you, you're the only one.
What's up, guys? Thank you for watching this episode of BBAZ Outdoors. Josie's hunt was probably the highlight of my 2022 hunting season. Seeing her harvest her first deer was beyond words. It was pretty amazing. Take your kids out hunting. You're never gonna know how they're going to do until you do it. Seeing her face some adversity and be resilient was pretty amazing. So here is Josie's buck. Already got him up on the wall. Take that tag off, I guess, when I'm ready, but there he is. So I have to give Brian over at Copper State Taxidermy a huge shout out. I think he did a fantastic job on this European mount. The skull is absolutely flawless. I love how it pops, and he was able to preserve the velvet on this deer. Getting a velvet deer with a rifle is pretty tough to do, but the youth hunts this year were so early that this one was still in his velvet, so pretty awesome. Second, I want to say thank you to Ramon over at Huntador.com. This is one of Ramon's hats. This is the Burnt Orange Desert Hunter cap, and Ramon's doing some amazing stuff over at Huntador, so go check out his store, Huntador.com. Last but not least, thank you to Teresa and Fred over at the Rustic Miner for hooking Josie up with some steak seasoning. Their steak seasoning, I think, is the best seasoning that I have that goes on that game meat. Mix that with a little bit of their barbecue seasoning. It's pretty unbelievable. Just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year from BBAZ Outdoors. 2023 is upon us, and I can't believe it. What do you have in store for 2023? Leave a comment down below what your game plan is and your goals are for 2023. Also, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We have a couple more 2023 videos that'll be coming out here in the next several months. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. A huge thing that I'm looking forward to is my January Coues Mexico hunt. So we should be getting some pretty awesome footage about that. Go back and check out the January 2022 hunt that we had. It was pretty amazing, and we brought home some pretty cool bucks. Thank you for watching, guys.